I am really excited about this plane because it's back. And what I mean by that is it has been out getting avionics put in it. It has got a new panel, and now we have it back so we can put our interior. We've been working on a full new interior on this airplane for several months now, and it's about time. Monday, it's gonna start going back together, and we're gonna start putting stuff in this airplane. So I gotta tell you, I'm really excited. There's not much to look at in here, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna open it up, but as you're gonna see when you come over here, there's not much exciting on the inside, but if you pan to the left, what you're going to see is a whole new instrument panel. In fact, I'm gonna jump in here real quick, just kind of let you come in here and see what we've been doing. We have a brand new Garmin panel in this airplane, and we're really excited about it. This thing has gone from Byzantine to absolute cutting edge. In fact, when we get done with the interior, it's going back out to the avionics shop to get all the engine gauges converted over to all digital. And so this thing is as good as it looks. It's getting ready to look even better. But I will tell you what's about to happen we're about to put an opulent interior back into this airplane. So we're very excited. So stay tuned, there's gonna be a lot of videos coming as we put the new carpet in, those beautiful new seats, beautiful new side panels. This thing is fixing to go to a whole nother level.